This is a freedom rally. This is like, we're trying to get our rights back in this country that seem to be taken away from us every hour of every day for the past 2 years.
What made you come all the way up here to Ottawa?
I want my freedom back.
Tell me a bit about what you want to see the politicians actually start talking about, actually start discussing.
Getting rid of all the ridiculous mandates that we've had 2 years, and we're still wearing masks.
Everybody's fed up with it. We want to move on. We're looking at parts of the states that are wide open, and we're completely shut down in this entire country. It's all Trudeau and his bull in the government.
We're in a pandemic, but I believe the measures are way too extreme, and we're just here to restore our livelihoods. Like some people I know have been working for the same companies for 20 some odd years, and now they're unemployed. They can't get unemployment insurance.
I want them to hear us, to listen what we have to say. We are free people. God is giving us freedom. All the rights are coming from God, not from politicians. They are putting chains on us. I don't like that.